Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn that how you can create an account on Rednote application. Rednote is an application which can be an alternative to TikTok, as there are speculation that TikTok will not be available in the US in the coming days. So today we are going to learn that how you can create an account on that. So watch the video till the end and let's find out. So the first thing you need to do is to download and install Rednote application on your device from Play Store or App Store. Once you do so, once you open the application, you will see this interface. They say you need to agree to the terms and conditions. So I will tap agree. And the next thing that you will see is that it will ask you to allow some permissions like the notification and other permissions. So you need to allow that one. And here, if you already have an account, you can just tap on login. But if you don't have any account, you can see there is no option to create a new account. So what I will do, I have read and agreed. I will take that one and tap on login, and there are another option that would say that other login methods, so you can log in with your Facebook or Google account as well. So guys, I will tap on login, and here all you need to do is to enter your phone number. So first you need to select the country of your residence, and as you can see it is in Chinese language. So all you need to do is to find the country code that you're searching. So if I search here Thailand in English, as you can see there is nothing here. So guys, all you need to do is to find your country code, because if you cannot read the Chinese language, so I will try to find the country code of Thailand here. Here I find it +66, and then all you need to do is to enter the phone number. So I will enter the phone number first. So guys, once you enter the phone number, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the terms and condition again, and then tap on login. So they will send you a PIN to log in. As you can see, I received a one-time password, so you need to enter it here and then try to log in. So as you can see, I am already in the application. This is the first interface that you will see. Here is the follow option, there the explore, nearby. You can allow the app to find the nearby option. At the bottom, as you can see, home, video, there is the plus sign, and it looks like exactly like TikTok as well. So in the next video, I will try to explain some of the important feature, but this is for how to create an account on Rednote. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.